Hello students, good morning. Let's continue our chapter 3, Cultural Heritage of India, Sculpture and Architecture. Students, today we are going to finish this chapter. We are on page 26. Please open your textbook and come to page 26. Let's study about architecture of Gujarat. Sculpture and architecture of Gujarat include temples of various religions, mosques, viharas of Buddha religion, mats, stupas, chaityas, cave temples, Jain temples. Besides this, different type of building construction useful for society like royal palaces, forts, domes, gates, Kirti Stambha, that is Tower of Fame, inns, sanctuary, Upashraya, Visamas, verandas, skylight, that is Jharukho, watchtower, arches, wells, step wells, lakes and ponds. Figures of animal and birds are the most beautiful and magnificent structures. So students, what is that we studied? We saw that the sculpture and architecture of Gujarat. When we talk about the sculpture as well as the architecture of Gujarat, what all is included in that, and that is, please underline that. It includes that the various religions, mosque, viharas, Buddha religions, mats, stupas, chaityas, caves and Jain temple. Just make a bracket. But besides that, there are also different types of building constructions which are useful for society like royal palaces, forts, domes, gates, Kirti Stambha, that is Tower of Fame, inns, that is sanctuary, Upashraya, Visamas, verandas, skylight, that is Jharukho, watchtower, arch, wells, step wells, like ponds, lakes and ponds. Figures of animals and birds are the most beautiful and magnificent structures. So, this is all about, we are talking about the architecture as well as the different building construction which are also useful for the society. Let's study about the temple. Here you have got the picture of Kirti Toran. Temple. In the religious field, temples of different religions have been built in Gujarat. They are Temple of Bhadrakali, underline students, Gita Mandir, Veda Temple, Jagannath Temple, that is in Jamalpur, Ranchod Rajji Temple, Dakor, Sun Temple, Modhera. About the Sun Temple, we just studied yesterday. Then Hatkeshwar Mahadev Temple, Vadnagar, Ambaji Temple, Shamlaji Temple, Somnath Temple, Jagat Temple, that is in Dwarka. Then Baucharaji Temple, Mahakali Temple in Pavagad, Swaminarayan Temple, Brahmaji Temple in Khed Brahma, Khodiyar Mataji Temple which is in Bhavnagar, and Mud of Ashapuram, Purma, that is in Kutch, etc. So students, these are about the places where the temples have been situated. You will have to remember this name. They have given the picture of Somnath Temple. Students, these are all the temples which are in Gujarat. Why they have mentioned about Bhavnagar and all? So students, there are also Khodiyar Mataji Temple and all. So they have also mentioned Mahakali Temple, that is in Pavagad. Many of you go for the darshan there to see that this is one of the pilgrimage also. Khodiyar Mataji, many of you go walking, okay, when you have some types of promises made to Mataji, okay. So, then let's study about the mosque. Jama Masjid near Tin Darwaja is in Ahmedabad. Make a bracket. Student, Jama Masjid which is near Tin Darwaja is in Ahmedabad. Then Sultan Ahmad Shah I built this. Come to the next page. So, students, we saw that the Sultan Ahmad Shah I built this mosque in 1424 AD. It has underlined 260 pillars and 15 domes. Other structures include Siddhi Sayyed Grill, with a minute carving, Rosa of Circage, Shaking Towers that is in Ahmedabad, Mosque of Twin Cypri, which is also known as Mosque of Nagina, and Jama Masjid at Champani. There are many such mosques in big cities of Gujarat. So students, there are many such mosques. There have been many, they have mentioned some, and there have been still more which are in the Gujarat city. Now, after studying about the temples, we studied about the mosque. Let's study about Jain temple. Jain temple of Hathi Singh, Kumbhariyaji and Sankeshwar Siddhigiri, Shatrunjay Giri, Palitana, etc. are quite well known from sculpture, architecture and carving point of view. So students, Jain temples which are also known as Derasals, which are the Jain temple of Hathi Singh, Kumbhariyaji, then Shankeshwar Siddhigiri, Shatrunjay Giri and Palitana. These are quite well known for sculpture, architecture and carving point of view. Yesterday we studied about the Palitana, and where I also told you that many people go every year there. They climb that mountain, so many steps are there, they climb it there, and it is each one's devotion, student, that leads you to go and meet your goddesses. Then let's study about stepwell of Gujarat. Stepwells of Gujarat. Stepwell of Adalaj, stepwell of Dadahari, that is Harini Vav, which is in Ahmedabad. Then Rani Ki stepwell of Patan, Hira Bhagor of Dabhoi, etc. are very splendid examples of stepwell, which is in Gujarati we call it as a Vav construction. So students, these are really famous wells, or as you call as Vav, and they have given the different places. They have said that Adalaj, that is one stepwell which is in Adalaj, another one which is known as Harini Vav, which is in Ahmedabad. Then you have Rani Ki stepwell which is in Patan, Hira Bhagor of Dabhoi, etc. They have very splendid, very beautiful architecture and all, example of stepwell, that is Vav construction. Come to the next paragraph. Apart from this, there are many specimens in the field of architecture. Example of Fort of Bhadra, Teen Darwaja, Naginawadi, Kankaria Lake, that is in Ahmedabad, Rudra Mahalaya Siddhpur, and Shastralinga Lake Patan, Chori of Shamlaji, Samadhi of Tana Riri, Kirti Toran, which is in Vadanagar, Mansar Lake, which is in Viramgam, Malav Lake in Dholka, etc. These art adds to the dignity and glory of Gujarat. Today, Gujarat shines like star in the world map because of its art of sculpture, architecture and carving. Students, I need not tell you about how Gujarat has become one of the tourist places, how it has attracted many people and the tourists to the places. Many people flock to come to see the glory of Gujarat. And students, what is it? It's not only about temples or mosques or Jain temples or the stepwells of Gujarat, but it is all together that makes our culture very rich. We have been seeing about our tradition, our culture. We have seen how the culture has been handed over, and therefore students, we have to keep up the glory of Gujarat, our dances, our food, our tradition, our dresses, our culture, our sculpture, our architecture, which will make Gujarat shine out still more than another countries or another states of India. And so student, here I am just finishing the class. I want you to have the picture, look at the picture. Have a look at this. Look at this, the sketch of the mosque architecture. They have mentioned the names, what is it called and all. More than this, the information about that which they have given over there. Galiara, which means the way to enter and exit from the mosque. They have shown it over here. The way to enter and exit. Where there is Qibla. What is Qibla? This part of architecture is a part of mosque or a wall where the namaz is being performed. It is always in the direction of Kaaba. So similarly, all these meanings of what do you mean by Liwan, or where is it used, what is that? So that is a room in the mosque with pillars, which is a Liwan. Everything is given, explained to you in the yellow box behind. So I expect you to study this and complete the homework. So far I have sent you only one board work, but I want you to complete your exercises, do the homework at home, textual question answers. Do not keep it, because we will be soon calling you for the corrections, book corrections. Here are the exercises. Have a good day, students.